Hi, I'm Chandrasekhar. I'm making a video how to uh, deposit euros for my Zenic project, which is interrelated with Sapphire. Already, I made a video on it. It's a wonderful concept. Just I'm making a video on how to deposit it. So the purpose of me making this video is to deposit, how to make deposit using Litecoin. Euros. So I'm showing you clearly, not to waste much time. If you like, definitely like and subscribe my channel so I can make videos on EtherConnect, Zenic, and Forsage. I'm doing this wonderful projects, big projects. So it is Dubai based company. Already I told you on earlier of my video. If you want to know, you can message me on 9666406195 number or 9346799014. So I'm assistant professor in engineering mathematics. So I definitely choose only valuable projects which will be helping me to make a side income apart from my college work. So this is a wonderful video which I'm making now. So let me go there and let me go to login first. I show you. This is a website. You can go to Google and type safir.com. So let me log out first before. Let me log out that first and log in with this ID. I'm going there where I need to log in. I need to take a username and password of the person. My colleague, my friend, Mr. Ramesh sir is a commerce faculty. So he has given me his username and password. So I'm entering that. So this is a website safir.com. So remember this. Don't go for any other website. So I've entered username and password. I'm in his dashboard. You can see dashboard is 00 now. How I need to make it done is I'll go to sponsor and I'm 18 years above, agree everything I'll make it done. Okay, now I can see my dashboard. Okay, 0.00 euro, everything is zero now. I didn't do anything. Now I'll deposit and activate it. This is a referral link you can use to activate. Sponsor name Chandra369 is my name. So let us go ahead and deposit. So I'll go directly to my wallet 1 2 3 4 5, that is dashboard, account, network, register, wallet. I'll make different videos on it later on, but I want to do video on deposit of how to deposit. There are different options here: Bitcoin, Bitcoin legacy address, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Euro coin. So I'm going for Litecoin. So I'll click here. This is my blockchain address, crypto address. So this Litecoin address. From there, from GeoTest, I'm sending here. So you can see I'll copy this. So I'll click on it. I'll click on it, clutch hold of it. Okay, I copied. Okay, done. I'm going to my GeoTest wallet. So I'll go to GeoTest now. GeoTest is a Indian exchange where I use more frequently. You can use Binance, BuzzyRex, anything. Whatever exchange you are comfortable with, you can use it. So I'm using my GeoTest wallet. So already I bought Litecoin here. You can see my Litecoin here available. So I'll go here and I'll type LTC. LTC. So let me type again LTC. Litecoin short form it is. So you can find it here. What is the price of it? So I'll go here. I'll go for the available LTC in my account. I've purchased for 150 plus euros LTC, approximately 13,800 plus. So I would extra I purchased to be in safer side. Here I'll type the address. I'll cross check is SK. I'll cross check it with this. You can see here SK last two now two letters SK. It is also SK. It's a blockchain address. So I'll go for maximum. I'll type there a blue available now. So I'll go for withdrawal. Once I do withdrawal, I'll get OTP and email verification also. That should be done. So I'm waiting for my mobile OTP, 6-digit OTP. It came. Okay, 211952. Excellent. So this is one. Now I'll get email verification in my email. I'll go there and I'll go in my email ID. Every time it is F2 verification means mobile plus email verification will be done. So there'll be no problem. So I'll do verification here. Okay, click here. Okay, done. So withdrawal is going on. You see how it comes in GeoTest is available. Okay, withdrawal fee is taken and something is available like this. So I got yes and approve simply. It is within seconds of time. It is done. Now I'll go back. Okay, I'll go back to my safir.com. It will take 4 to 5 minutes to get updated. Once it get here, it will show you how much euros has been added for some time. So I'll come back. I will show you. It will take 5 minutes or so. Once it get activated, it will reflect here. I'll show you. Okay, you can see it is just 141. So still shortage of 9 euros. So I need to add more Litecoin here. So it is taking approximately for 150 dollars, 150 euros. It is taking approximately 14,000. So let me add few more and get back to you. The adding procedure is same. 9 euros I'll add and get back. I'll deposit this amount and I'll show you. So extra 1,000 added. It is reflecting after cutting the fee 988. Now I'll purchase again Litecoin from buy and sell option in GeoTest. So I'm showing you, this may happen to you also. You will be coming out with some other number and it will reflect the other. So additional how to add also, I'm showing you that. So that will be helpful for you. Now you know how to buy and sell in this. So I'll buy Litecoin. See here I am buying here. You can see the details here. What is the price here exactly. So I'll type LTC here. You can check LTC. So it will reflect like this cost. So I have bought already 0.070466. Let me see. Let me go for withdrawal and try. And I'll show you how to withdraw now. So you can see I'm back here again in my friend's account. I'm going to deposit option because 144.77 reflecting. 10 more I need to add to activate 150. So I'll go to my wallet. I'll click on deposit option. There I'll select the Litecoins. Very simple interface. So I'll copy this, copy like this, and go to GeoTest. Again the same procedure. I'll go to withdrawal. I'll select LTC here. I'll paste the address. Okay, I paste it. Now coming back, I'll select maximum. I'll send maximum. So one OTP will come on my mobile again. F2A 201954. You are very safe. You are very secure. 20954. 20954. One minute. Let me check what mistake I did. So here you can see withdrawal fee is there. I have to wait for some time to get this approved. So this wallet, I need to wait, and how much it get added I need to check. I know it's first time, so it will take some time, at least 4 minutes to 5 minutes. Within that, it will get deposited. Oh, very good. 151.43 euros. Excellent. Successful now. So I have deposited approximately 14,700. 14,700 for this 151 euros to get deposited through Litecoin. So now I show you how to shop. Account, network, register, wallet, coupon, shop. I'm going for shop. Hubs are there, different hubs here available. So here, because see here, different level. 1/16 software mint, $150, because I have recommended. It is written there. Partial hardware processor, which is served and maintained as part of what is known as in-house minting. Minted coins are freely available to the customer. So from hubs you will get minting coins. So different hubs we can purchase online. So he is saying, because the amount is 150, so 1/16 is reflecting. I'll go for buy option. It's very Zenic physical app. Depending on local regulations, you have to pay VAT upon receiving the item plus delivery cost. Housing up, you will receive minted coins, no physical delivery. Zenic coin, a price development of the Zenic coin depends on multiple factors. Therefore, no guarantees or promises on the price development can be made. Minting factor, the currently expected minting factor is 15.02. I have read this, understood. 1/16, minting hub 0.1, share 150 euros. So I'm going there. Okay. Oh, done. Successful. Great. It is very simple to shop. Oh, 2.43 is left. I'm going to dashboard now. I'll show you my dashboard. Okay, 150 euro is done. Rank is 30, 429. So tomorrow onwards, my friend will get minted coins, tokens, so he can enjoy the hubs. If to know more, I'll make the plan video also. There are many plan videos available in YouTube. So I'm making a very most important, how to deposit from your Safir.com using exchange Yotus. I made a video on it. You can use Binance, etc., whatever exchanges you are comfortable with. You can do with Bitcoin, Ethereum. It's up to your comfortableness. So utility is very simple, and this coin will boom like anything. In future, October it's live. October, in the month of October, it will be live. So I have made a video on it already. You can check in my channel. I made a small video on it, what is software and everything. So I don't want to talk on that. I made a video only on how to deposit. Whoever knows this will look at this video. Thank you very much. You like, subscribe my channel. Bye bye. Take care of your family. Good luck. Enjoy. Bye.